will do is we will try to connect through direct query. Okay. So here, so observe there is going to be one big change here when we connect through direct query. Okay. So here now, since we have used the import, we are able to see the data here in the data view, isn't it, guys? So here we are able to see different columns and different records. But when we use the data, I mean, when we import the data using direct query, we will not be able to see this data. Okay. So now let's connect to the SQL Server again. So let us use the direct query. Okay. Direct query, click OK. So here in the adventure works in this database, let's use employee table. Okay, let's load. So this is the preview of the data. Okay, let us load the data. So here you can see here employee details. Now let's go to the data view, employee details. So are you able to see this? This table uses direct query and cannot be shown. So when we use direct query, we cannot see the table data here. Okay, but we can use it in the visualizations and data modeling, but here we cannot see the data in data view. Data. Okay, this is department. Okay, this is employees data. And are you able to see some blue color here? That is for direct query, storage mode. Are you able to see? This black color, that is import. Okay, you can see the database server. So storage mode import, all others storage mode is import. Once it is imported into the Power BI desktop, then there is no connection between the source and the Power BI. Okay, but in the direct query mode, there will be this connection will be live. Okay. Now what we'll do is, let us create a small visual from this employees. Okay. So here we have the marital status. Let's select this. Okay. And we have this sick leaves. Okay, sick leave hours. Okay. Or what we can have is, yeah, marital status. And yeah, national ID number. Okay. Now here observe. So here we have the around 290 records. Okay. So the first record you can see the chief executive officer whose marital status is single. Okay. So is national ID number is this one. Okay. Let's just copy this national ID number and let's have this filter, basic filter. We will search for this number. Okay. Are you able to see? So let's select this. Now, are you able to see the marital status as single? Okay. For this person, it is single marital status. Now, what we'll do is we'll update this data. Okay. We'll update this from single status to married status. Okay. So let us just execute it. Okay, one row got affected. Now you can also see in the database. Are you able to see here? For Chief Executive Officer, Marshal marital status is changed to married. Okay. Now in the Power BI, what we will do is let's go to home. Here, let us refresh. Are you able to see this? Refresh. Now you need to observe the status here, whether it is going to be a single or married. So let us refresh. When we are refreshing, all other data sets also get refreshed. Okay. But this thing happens automatically every 15 minutes in the when we connect it through Power BI service or Power BI online. Now, are you able to see the change?
Find the time like 15 minutes.
Yeah, it is a fixed time. Okay, here you can see marital status changed to M for this particular national ID number. Earlier it was S. So this is the difference between import and direct query. Now what we'll do is we'll write a query and say here we want to find out from this select. So what we'll do is let us just see from this, yeah, department and employees. Okay. Just a moment. Okay. So department, let us see what are the things available in the department. Okay. These are the things. Okay. Department ID, name, group name, so on and so forth. Okay. So in the employee, do we have the department name, department ID or something? If we have, then we can just create a join. No, we do not have the department ID. So what we can do is nothing to worry here. So here we can filter the people based on say marital status. Okay. Now let us just connect to the SQL server. Okay. Yeah, in Power BI only we have to write, not in SQL server. Since we want to import the data from SQL server to Power BI. What is the endpoint here? Endpoint is Power BI. So let us just do select star from. Let's just use it. Okay. So here we are selecting everything. Star means all columns. Okay. Select star means all columns from this table. Okay. Let us put where condition. Okay. Where this marital status equal to M. Okay. Okay. Here there are some null values. Or let us select only few columns, if not all. Yeah. Job title. gender. Okay. And here let's get the national ID number. Yeah, so we got it, right? So this is the data. Okay. So let's load the data. Okay, here are you able to see query one? So this is the new data set that we have got. Okay. So what we will do is we will create another page here. Okay. Now we have taken the marital status, right? So let us select the marital status. No, not from here. From query. Oh, sorry, just a moment. We could have got, yeah. Let us select the national ID. What we'll do is, yeah, let us edit the query. Okay. Now, are you able to see? We have got data only related to married people. Kunal and others. Okay. So this way we can use that SQL query box to filter the data where we want to focus actually. So we don't want all the data to be loaded into Power BI and decrease its performance. We can use it as filter, and also we can create views. We can join multiple tables and extract all the relevant data in single go from the database. Instead of here getting multiple tables here, we can create a view, or we can write a join statement. We can pull the data from multiple tables like this. Okay. Now what we can do is we can just close and apply here. Now here also you will see that it gets updated. Okay, are you able to see marital status here? So here you have this option, edit query. Are you able to see edit query? So when you edit query, it will open Power Query Editor. So there you can include or remove anything from this query. So this is the SQL statement. You can see, select this. Are you able to see? This is the SQL query. We can click on this tick mark. Okay, it will ask us to run.